NFTs have turned out to be a $27 billion market which has become famous overnight. Graphic designer Beeple sold a $69 million art piece in March, and many other NFTs such as CryptoPunks or Bored Ape have also generated millions in sales. Even the biggest YouTubers are taking bets on them. But do they really have a purpose? And most importantly, why is everyone paying so much money if I can just download it instantly? NFTs are digital assets. They can be used to represent real-world items like artwork and real estate. Why is this useful? Well, using NFTs, digital artists such as singers or painters can ensure that their work is not stolen by anybody else without giving them credit. Through the use of blockchain, property is secured and each item is made unique, so that there is only one original. But what's the point of NFTs if they can be downloaded instantly? Even though anyone can use every art piece freely, the authorship will forever belong to the original author, in the same way that you can listen to Beyoncé's songs, but all the awards and fame belong to her. It is easy to tell that Halo is definitely not sung by you, the same way it would be easy to find if an NFT is yours or not. And here's where it gets interesting. The point of NFTs is that validity is provided through a decentralized network, with no specific person or entity receiving money for that service. From Beyoncé's perspective, that's an amazing opportunity, because right now the record label keeps 80% of what she generates, while with the use of NFTs, she would not have to split earnings at all. NFTs are the real-life application of blockchain validation process, and that is incredibly useful in many areas apart from digital art. The best example is decentralized finance, or so-called DeFi. With the use of blockchain, notaries won't ever need to exist, since the accounting of property will be done automatically. Furthermore, raising money through NFTs will be easier than ever. For instance, The Infinite Garden is a documentary which was able to raise more than $3 million in 24 hours through them. So, if the advantages of NFTs are in the technology itself and not specifically on each art piece, why are people placing such high bids? The thing is, not everyone is betting hard. Data shows that, in fact, 99% of NFTs are not even sold, and of the 1% that is sold, the majority goes for under $100. As with real-life art, just a few projects take up the whole demand, while the rest won't ever find an audience interested in them. What's popular, though, is to buy popular pieces with the hope of reselling them in the future, hoping the artist gets more hype around the same way Picassos are still being auctioned 50 years after his passing away. The amount of market imbalance is crazy. The top 5 NFT collections make up to 40% of total value in the market, with over $10.2 billion as a consequence of speculation and marketing. At this point, even the NBA has NFTs. For instance, this clip of LeBron James' dunk has been sold for $200,000. The more you research, the funnier things turn out. Max, who goes by the username MaxNaut, accidentally sold an NFT for 0.75 Ethereum instead of 75, missing 99% of the revenue he expected. And there's something I haven't told you yet. There's a game changer in another sector. I mean, literally. The gaming industry has rapidly adopted NFTs. Many games now let you earn money while playing, which has attracted millions of users. How? Each feature in the game is programmed as an NFT. So as you advance through the game stages and your inventory improves, the value of your possessions increases accordingly. If you think this trend is still very far away, Axie Infinity has already generated over $4 billion in NFTs, making serious money for both investors and players. All in all, no one knows where the next big NFT is, but one thing is for sure, the industry will grow at an incredible rate in the future. If you don't want to miss trends like this one, make sure to subscribe and check this next video. See you there!